405 Backyard Barbecue. I'm Tim, and today we're going to try to make some chicken wings. This is a take on Malcolm Reed's chicken wing marinate that he has in one of his videos. If you haven't seen any of his videos, you need to head on over there. Real good. It's on how to barbecue right. So what we'll do is I'm going to show you how I cut down these regular wings to just the drum and drumettes. I get rid of these tips because I don't like them. Then I'll show you how I make the marinade in the 2 bags. And we'll get ready to put them on the smoker after they marinate overnight. So how I cut these up is there's a joint in between where the tip is, and then there's also a joint between the drum and drumette. And all I do is take my knife and bring it straight down here, like that, and then straight follow the bone down, and straight down like that. Cut these 2 off and throw the tip away.
And he's not just winging it.
Basically all there is to it. So get all these cut down and we'll start on the marinade. Okay, so after you get the chicken cut down to the drum and drumettes, put them in. I put them in 2 different like gallon sized bags because it's a little easier. So the recipe I have is for the marinade would be a 1/2 cup of soy sauce, a 1/2 cup of Worcestershire sauce, or W sauce, whatever you want to call it. 1 jalapeno chopped up, a full bottle of Frank's Red Hot, and a full bottle of Zesty Italian. Doesn't really matter the brand on it, just Zesty Italian dressing. So it's pretty easy to do. You're just going to take your soy sauce, and each one I've split them up into 1/4 cups instead of the 1/2 cup because I've split the recipe in half for each bag. Then the Worcestershire, throw in the jalapeno, and this is what's different about the marinade from what Malcolm Reed did and how I'm doing it for the recipe is I just added the jalapenos to the marinade. And you don't have to be exactly half, I mean, close is good. Looks like about half. So then you take the baggie and kind of get all the air out of it you can, and then seal it up nice and tight. Get it all mixed up in there to where all the chickens got the marinade on it and all the marinade's kind of mixed up. What I like to do is take this and put it in the fridge overnight. So I'll do the same thing with the other one. And then the next thing we'll see is probably me getting them all ready to season up and go out onto the pit barrel cooker in the morning. What I got here is a 1/2 chimney of charcoal going, and I got the rest of my charcoal in the bottom of the basket. We're gonna get the pit barrel cooker going. Pit barrel cooker runs around 275, so if you have another smoker or something like that, just run it at 275. I'm having to be doing it on the pit barrel cooker. So what I'll do is I'll dump this charcoal down into this basket to get it going. And then I'm going to put about 3 chunks of apple wood on it just to get some smoke. And what I'll do, this is the tough part for me.
Because you're weak.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, be careful.
So then I just pick it up and very carefully put it down in here. And now it's down into there. Then you got to put your hanging rods back in to the pit barrel cooker. That's part of what keeps the temperature at to the right temperature. And put the lid on and I'll let that go until I'm ready with the chicken wings. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and get the chicken wings out of the marinade and get them seasoned up. All right, well, the chicken's marinated overnight in the fridge, and as you can see, it looking good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna put them out on this. This is the grate for the barrel cooker. I'm gonna try to, spread them out. Usually about 1 pack of that chicken wings all cut down will fit perfectly on here, but we'll see. Sometimes it doesn't happen exactly the way you want, but we should be able to get most of them out on this, if not all of them. So we're gonna put them out there, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season. I'll put them all out, season them with my personal AP seasoning, which is salt, pepper, garlic, and then I'm gonna do this new rub I just now got this weekend, Luton Booty Barbecue everything rub. I bought it and then I brought it home, tasted it. Ooh, it tastes pretty good. So I want to see what it's like on these wings. All right, so here we go. You can kind of shake them off a little bit in here when you're getting them out because they will be kind of wet. And make sure you have something underneath it because you will get in trouble from your wife if you don't, because you're going to have this stuff everywhere. I'm just telling you.
Not that that's ever happened before.
Oh yeah, I have. No, I mean, no, not.
So I'm just kind of working my way around this whole thing. So I'll just work my way around, then we'll start seasoning. Okay, so now we got all the chicken out of the marinade. It's out on the deal, and it did fit pretty much perfect. 1 pack kind of fits on the pit barrel cooker. Now, you don't have to use a pit barrel cooker to do this. You can use whatever smoker you got. Just run it at 275. But it does work out pretty good on there. We're gonna start seasoning it with my AP seasoning, which is salt, pepper, garlic. And we're just gonna, don't go crazy with it. Just a nice light seasoning over the top of them. Make sure you hit all of them. Get that base salt, pepper, garlic. That way you can build some flavors. And then we're gonna go with this Luton Booty barbecue stuff right here. First time using this, so it's got a real good color, it looks like. Tastes good right out of the bottle because we all tasted it and liked it. So I'm sure this is gonna turn out great with this rub on it. So you just hit all of them like this. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip them over. I'll flip them over and do the same thing to the other side, and then we'll be shooting the next shot out on the pit barrel cooker. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the chicken wings on the pit barrel cooker. And what I have to do, get a bunch of smoke in my eyes. Sorry. Then take out the 2 bars. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the chicken wings down in here. Just like that. And And then you gotta replace the bars because that's part of the ventilation system on the pit barrel cookers. That's they're designed to stay at 275 with these in there. If you don't have them in there, it'll go higher. And then put them back on, and what it'll be is about 40 to 45 minutes, and then I'll come out here, flip them over, and then we'll see where they're at. Okay, so what's going on now is we went 40 minutes, and I haven't looked in there, so I don't know what they look like. Let's take a look at them. Oh, yeah, they're looking good. You can see. What I'll do is I'm just going to go in here and I'm going to kind of flip these over. I've actually cooked them before and not flipped them, and they did all right, but sure seems like I notice a difference when I do. So sometimes I kind of have to do a little bit of a touch up on the seasoning when I flip them over, which is not real important. You don't have to do this, but it's just my preference. So then I'm gonna close this up, and they're probably gonna go another 30 to 40 minutes. Just kind of check on them at 30, see where they're at. And probably I'll just check on these, see how they are. I'll pull them off, and and you'll get to see them whenever we're done. All right, so we got them off the grill. As you can see, they're looking good, got a great color on them. And you can basically eat these with, you know, any kind of different sauce. This is some blue cheese we got here. So all I got left is to try it out, I guess. So let me try one here without no sauce on it right now. Yeah, that new rub is good. I haven't tried any of that. I'm gonna try a little bit of the blue cheese on it. Real good. Sorry about that. Ryan, you want to try one?
I got one without the camera on me and everything in a second. Yeah.
Oh yeah, let me try one. Emma wants to try one also.
There's one.
One little wedge right there, baby girl. Probably got a little stuff
Holy
in there.
crap! This is hot.
You want one?
Yeah, let me move all the stuff around right here. Yeah. I want a little blue cheese on that. I am a blue cheese person.
There you go.
Super good.
Pick this up.
All right. So that pretty much ends this video. But try this recipe, and you can try any rub you want on it. But try these. They're pretty good. Just make your own AP, and this Loot and Booty barbecue everything rub. It's really good. If you like what we're doing on this channel, if you like the videos we're doing, the content we're putting out, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. You'll get all the videos I make.